Namaste. Today I'm going to talk about a very sensitive topic, money. Money is considered to be a very negative entity in spiritual communities, and otherwise, money is often connected to greed. What I have experienced in my life is money is an energy, it's not an object. It flows towards people who love it, respect it, and know how to create something valuable for the society, for themselves. And it doesn't it doesn't go to people according to their karma. Actually, it goes to people who are very, very receptive and who love to spend on themselves, who spend to create for themselves and for others as well. It doesn't like control, it wants to flow like a river. Wherever people tend to become miser, tend to chain it, it gets agitated, irritated, and then it forces people to spend it on negative experiences like some accident or health issues or something like that. So, people who love money experience abundance of all kinds. Money can be the most beautiful spiritual experience for an individual because it gives a lot of freedom. When you have money, you can buy a helper, tools, machines, you can travel. So, in spiritual truth, one has to be alone. Basically, one doesn't have to be dependent upon other people, and money is a way to be independent. You can rely upon mechanical instruments, devices. If you have money, you don't need to rely upon humans basically for help. Yes, you have to depend upon humans, but money plays a very vital role in spiritual evolution as well. It gives a lot of freedom, independence. So it all depends upon how and what for you want the money. Your intent matters. And if your intention is good, you have good karmas or neutral karmas. At least you wouldn't create negative karmas. So yeah, it's abundant. Money is abundant. Be receptive. Allow it to flow through you. It comes from different ways, and ego thinks that it has to come through a certain channel, a job or something, but it comes magically to a person who's receptive.